I'm here with Tatay James, so it's time to take a bath. So let's help him to take a bath, change, going to the barber shop, and yes, this is a good news because I got the certification. Okay mo na? So guys, it's time to remove my shoes because I'm going in. Okay na yan? Okay na? Good? You good? This is cold.
I don't like cold water.
It's fine because it's hot. Oh, see? Oh,
Yeah.
no, just one and then no more cold, okay? Just... Wow, man. Kili.
A thing my girl used to do.
Oh. See? Ano to?
But she ain't been around.
See, what is that? Ay, okay na yan. Oh, you close your eyes. Close your eyes. Kita ba kami? Oh, sige pa, B. Sige pa. Matanda na to. Hindi na ito malulunod. Yee! My baby!
I'm from
Okay na? Sa paa lang, ha?
Yeah. This one's for the kind hearts out
See?
there.
If you go back to America,
Humusga. Wag humusga, di mo alam ang kwento. Bawat taong may laban, may pinagdadaanan ito. Di kailangan ng salita na masakit, mas kailangan ng puso na marunong umintindi. Minsan tahimik lang pero may dahilan. Di mo alam kung gaano kabigat sa kalooban. Sa halip na manghusga, yan ang puso ng may heart caress, diba? Tingin-tingin sa buhay ng iba. Di mo ba kayang umiti na lang muna? Wag humusga, tumulong ka. Puso ang sandata sa mundo ng gulo drama. Sa halip na malait, magbigay ng pag-asa. May heart cares, pag-ibig ang halaga. Wag humusga, magmahal ka. Tingnan mo ang mundo sa mata ng awa. Ang simpleng tulong, malaking biyaya. May heart cares, pagmamahal ang palaga.
okay, baby? You're here in Philippines.
May heart cares, pagmamahal ang palaban.
Paano mo yan i-dry?
Di ba mas masaya kung magtulungan kaysa magparinig at
After we finish him for take a bath, and then yes, we dress up, and yeah, I buy him new clothes. So now this is the new James Sophie.
Now we are here in barber shop to cut his hair. Sorry. Wow! See, you're so clean na. Look at your face before. Your face is very, very dirty. Now look at your face in the mirror.
I can't see.
You can see? Ha? So guys, starting. Dude, oh my god, you're so clean na. You're so very clean. Look at me. Look at me. Hee-hee.